Okay, so this is my project, and yeah. Good luck trying to understand this, but I'll go through it as much as I can. So the green things are the algae or fish in my project. And the fish right here are the boats or people. Now when I hit run, we overpopulate and eat all the fish out of our ocean, obliterating it. And at the same time, we're obliterating ourselves if we were dependent solely on fish, which could happen because of global warming and stuff like that. So if we were to destroy it, that's what happened. But if I go down here into the magic place of magic stuff, where the frick did I put it? There it is. See how it's 999? Well, if we lower that to say like 50. No, work. Stop it. Okay. And then I run code. I set it up. Yellowfish. Run. It's much more even. Not too much, not too little. And it's not perfect, but it lasts longer. Now, I completely forgot something. Hang on. Crap. Forgot algae clumpness was supposed to be on 5. Frick. Come on. But you get the idea, hopefully. And it's certainly not perfect, but it helps our environment. It basically represents, like, if we slow down a bit and only take what we need and let it grow back, it'll be able to go on much longer than any other thing. I hope. And let's just see how long I could keep this running. Maximum speed. As you can see, it's on maximum speed right now. The clock's going super fast. And it's staying perfectly. Sure, there are a few booms here and there, but it stays stable. And that's what we need to get to. A stable point. And not just our oceans, our entire planet. We need a balanced environment. Not too much cities or towns, but not too much jungle as well. But we need to keep our environment alive. And the yellow fish represent us. Or just fish in general. And the green is our, like, crap, what was it? Right. Fish, the ocean's population. Now, if I pause this, go back here, as you can see, it kept on for a long time. And I'm going to keep it there. Now, at first I didn't know what to do, but I just edited a few things, and I hoped they worked, and luckily they did. And it's called Seafood Chaos, but it's originally Something Fishy Evolution, and I remixed it so it could as a base model to help me out, but I'm not really sure on how that would work. So I hope you all understand what this is and what my point is. My point is we need to keep our oceans safe and alive. I bid you adieu. That's all that I can think of. Well, in any situation, hopefully you're having a good day. Goodbye.